Affordable custom electronic health record (EHR) solutions play a pivotal role in reducing the learning curve for healthcare providers, facilitating a more seamless adoption of these systems. Unlike rigid, one-size-fits-all EHR platforms, customizable solutions can be tailored to match the unique workflows and specific needs of healthcare providers. This customization ensures that the EHR system aligns closely with existing processes, minimizing the need for significant changes in daily routines. As a result, healthcare professionals find it easier to integrate the new technology into their workflow, thus accelerating the learning process. Customized EHR systems allow for user-friendly interfaces, intuitive navigation, and the incorporation of familiar terminologies, reducing the cognitive load on healthcare providers. This familiarity not only expedites the training phase but also enhances overall user satisfaction, as the system becomes an enabler rather than a hindrance. The ability to adapt the EHR to the preferences and working styles of individual healthcare professionals further contributes to a smoother learning curve. Training sessions become more focused, emphasizing only the functionalities that are relevant to each user, thereby maximizing efficiency. Affordable custom EHR solutions often come with responsive customer support and training resources, further assisting healthcare providers in overcoming potential challenges. With personalized assistance, providers can quickly address any concerns or uncertainties, ensuring a more confident and competent utilization of the EHR system. This not only accelerates the learning curve during the initial implementation but also promotes ongoing proficiency as healthcare providers continue to engage with the system. In essence, the affordability and customization options inherent in these EHR solutions transform the learning process from a potentially daunting task into a manageable and tailored experience. By aligning technology with the unique needs of healthcare providers, affordable custom EHR systems empower professionals to navigate the transition more effectively, fostering a positive and efficient integration into their daily practices.